problem. The Deep Solar Power Bank is your rugged, off-grid energy lifeline. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it charges your phone, camera, even a Nintendo Switch again and again. And thanks to its real solar panel, it recharges itself while you hike, chill, or explore. Rain, dust, drops, this beast shrugs it all off with a shock-proof, weather-resistant build. Clip it to your pack, hit the trail, and stay powered wherever the wild takes you. All for just $60. Cold nights? Not anymore. The Ignic heated blanket cranks up to a cozy 60 degrees Celsius and starts warming you in seconds, right from your car's 12-volt outlet. No wall plugs, no hassle, just pure warmth wherever you are. It's soft, rugged, and packable, built for tents, truck beds, or chilly campsites. And get this, it remembers your settings, so no fumbling in the dark. For just $24, it transforms cold, restless nights into pure comfort. Struggling on steep hikes, knees aching on every descent. Gives your legs a powered boost, with motorized knee joints that deliver up to 40% more force each step. Whether you're climbing trails or tackling stairs, it adapts in real time to your movement and terrain. Hidden batteries last over 3 hours and even recharge downhill. Weighing just 7 pounds, it's smart, sleek, and designed to learn how you move. Built by ex-Google X engineers, this is hiking tech that makes every step feel lighter. When the sun dips, the Covia gas lantern brings the glow. Compact yet powerful, it sets up in seconds and casts a warm 60 lux light that's easy on the eyes but bright enough to cook or chill by the fire. The cap turns into a base. Genius. With fuel-efficient burn at just 46 grams per hour and a design tough enough to toss in your pack, this lantern is your go-anywhere, light-everything hero. Why settle for darkness when you can camp in comfort? Think your snacks are safe in the woods. Bears can smell them from kilometers away. Even your soap and toothpaste. That's why bear canisters are a must-have. These rugged scent-locking containers keep you safe and wildlife wild, sealing in odors better than any DIY hack. No more tree hangs or makeshift storage. Just twist the lid, stash it, and sleep easy. For just $56, you protect your food and the forest. Essential gear for every trip into bear country, because peace of mind weighs nothing, but means everything. No poles, no stress. The Exod Air Station Pod 1 is the future of camping, inflating into a full-sized, weatherproof shelter in just 5 minutes. With room for 4, tested in Icelandic winds and alpine altitudes, it's built to thrive where ordinary tents fail. High ceilings, no cramped corners, and zero guesswork. Just pump, stretch out, and enjoy your base camp like never before. It's not just a tent. It's freedom, comfort, and performance packed into a backpack. Ride all day, camp in minutes. Goose is the all-in-one biker's dream. Tent, mattress, sleeping bag, and foam mat, packed into one sleek roll. Designed by bikers for bikers, it even connects to your motorcycle, keeping your gear dry and close by. After hours in the saddle, you'll feel that foam mat magic and a sleeping bag that hugs you warm. No extra bags, no bulky gear, just $473 for total road-ready comfort. Who said you can't travel light and sleep right? Forged for elite forces. Now in your hands. The Extrema Ratio SERE2 GOI isn't just a knife, it's a combat-tested survival tool made from cobalt alloy Austrian steel. Dual-edge design with serrations, a built-in strap cutter, and 58 HRC hardness means it slices, saws, and survives under extreme pressure. Whether you're in the wild, on a mission, or facing the unexpected, this $790 blade is built to perform when nothing else can. It's not for everyone, but if you demand the best, it's yours. No firewood, no fuel, no problem. SunGood XL turns sunlight into a 200 degrees Celsius cooking surface in just 15 minutes. Bake, roast, or cook full meals for up to 8 people without smoke, flames, or cleanup mess. It folds flat, weighs little, and needs nothing but the sun to serve real food in the wild. Even on cloudy days, it performs like magic. For $445, you get fuel-free freedom, zero hassle, and the joy of cooking under open skies. How cool is that? Forget boring camp meals? The Uno Casa sandwich maker turns any fire into a flavor factory. Built from solid cast iron, it handles up to 260 cells, perfect for melty grilled cheese, campfire pizza, or even desserts. With removable handles for safe cooking and an app packed with recipes, it's your fireside secret weapon. Easy to clean, endlessly reusable, and just $40. Why settle for instant noodles when you can fire up gourmet under the stars? Cramped stoves and slow meals at camp? Stovigo folds out into a full-on grill, stove, and oven, all in one. Cook a pizza in 5 minutes, or grill 9 burgers at once, right at your campsite. It heats up to 250 degrees Celsius, folds into a single case, and replaces multiple bulky gadgets in one sleek setup. No more juggling burners or burnt pans on rocks, just real meals, fast and fire-free. For $329, it's like carrying a full kitchen that fits in your trunk. Sleeping bag or jacket? Why not both? The polar knapsack lets you chill by the fire, crawl into bed, and wake up without ever changing clothes. In seconds, it transforms from a cozy sleeping bag into a wearable layer, armholes, drawstring bottom, and freedom to move. Rated to warm, roomy, and just 1.3 kilograms, it's perfect for camping, festivals, or lazy mornings at home. For $135, it's fun, functional, and seriously addictive. You'll never want to take it off. Tent stove lover? Meet the Hawu Roll Chimney, a full-size chimney that rolls up like a water bottle. Built in Finland, it's tough, lightweight, and fits stove openings from 7 to 9 centimeters with secure spring steel rings. Inside, a unique pattern creates micro-vortices to boost airflow and cut soot buildup. Less cleaning, more heating. Perfect for winter camps and long trips, this $114 chimney gives you warmth, cooking power, and smoke control without the bulk. How genius is that? A camping chair that swings like a hammock. The Nemo Stargaze Evo X cradles you in weightless comfort, reclines, rocks, and supports up to 136 kilograms with ease. Whether you're stargazing or sipping coffee by the fire, it adapts to your perfect position, even on uneven ground. Packs light, sets up fast, and feels like luxury in the wild. At $180, it's not just a chair, it's your front row seat to nature's show. Dirty clothes piling up miles from anywhere. Trekleen is your off-grid laundry hero. No electricity, no running water needed. It folds down to palm size, scrubs up to 3 people's clothes at once, and gives you that just-washed feeling wherever you roam. Add water, soap, seal, and scrub. The textured interior tackles dirt while staying gentle on fabric. Bonus, it doubles as a dry bag to keep your gear safe. For just $49, it's clean clothes, lighter packing, and total camping freedom. Who knew laundry could feel this good? What if your camper felt like a modern apartment? The vast travel trailer packs a retractable kitchen, a lounge that sleeps 4, a built-in bathroom, and even 600-watt solar power, all in a sleek, rugged design. Store surfboards, skis, whatever your adventure demands, and still stretch out like you're at home. Insulated, ventilated, and road trip ready, this is more than a trailer. It's independent living on wheels. At $80,000, it's not just comfort, it's freedom that follows you everywhere. A water bag that's actually smart. The Zen Camp's water bag holds 8 lil, weighs just 128 grams, and packs down to nothing, yet it's loaded with features. A detachable handle makes filling clean and easy, while the built-in spout becomes a hand-washing station in seconds. With dual fill ports and a clear measurement scale, you'll never spill or second-guess again. It flexes to fit any pack, clips on when space is tight, and costs just $10. No tech, no fuss, just hydration done right. Ice that lasts 10 days. No power, no problem. The Roll R60 isn't just a cooler, it's a mobile base camp with 57L of space, smart compartments, and rugged 9-inch wheels that roll over anything. Sand, rocks, trails, bring it on. No more soggy food or smashed snacks, just cold drinks and fresh meals, wherever you are. Built tough, rolls easy, and cleanse fast. At $3 and $40, it's your cooler, kitchen, and campsite MVP, all in one. See 48 hours of icy cold water or 20 hours of steaming hot coffee. Meet the Zucro Water Jug, your rugged 4-liter hydration hero that's built like a thermos, sips like a sports bottle, and handles like a pro. With a built-in spout, reusable straw, and an ultra-durable stainless steel body, this jug takes bumps, heat, and long days like a champ. Clip it, stash it, grab it, wherever you roam. Zucro keeps you fueled, fresh, and totally spill-free for just $38. Why just see the wild when you can capture it in 2K? The King Op is more than binoculars, it's your eyes, camera, and field guide in one. With 8x optical zoom, image stabilization, and built-in AI species recognition, spotting and saving every breathtaking moment is effortless. Shoot crystal-clear photos and videos, even identify wildlife on the go. With 10-hour battery life and Wi-Fi transfer, it's made for hikers, birders, and nature lovers who want to relive the view, exactly as they saw it. No water hookup? No problem. The ND water pump turns any lake, river, even a puddle, into your personal sink, shower, or wash station. It pumps 2 liters per minute and reaches up to 3 meters high, all from a device small enough to fit in your backpack. No setup stress, no hauling heavy jugs, just clean, flowing water wherever you are. And for only $62, that's freedom, comfort, and survival, all in one powerful little pump. It's not just a compass, it's your trail guardian. The Propmex Neptune doesn't just point north, it detects deadly gases like carbon monoxide inside tents, warns you of UV danger, and even tells you when to reapply sunscreen. It's got a built-in flashlight, tracks humidity, temperature, and lasts up to 3 days on a single charge. For just $100, it's like having a wilderness expert in your pocket. Safety, light, and smarts all in one tiny device. Feel like you're floating, even with a heavy pack. The Diensis X1 exoskeleton cancels out up to 38 kilograms of strain, making uphill hikes feel like a walk in the park. Whether you're trekking rocky trails or uneven sand, it adapts in real time and even supports a jog at 27 kilometers per hour. Just 1.6 kilograms and slim enough to move with you, it gives you up to 25 kilometers of power assist on one charge, all for only $400. This isn't gear. It's your secret hiking superpower. Dragging gear across campsites? Not anymore. The Timber Ridge XXL wagon hauls up to 135 kilograms of your camping chaos. Tents, firewood, coolers, everything. With a fold-down tailgate, built-in brake, and even a cup holder, it's smarter than your average cart. It folds compact, sets up in seconds, and rolls like a dream, even when fully loaded. At just $119, this beast of a wagon saves your back, your time, and your sanity. Why carry when you can cruise with Timber Ridge? It's not just a trekking pole, it's your entire survival kit in disguise. Meet the Smart Stick X. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, this beast hides a 10-hour flashlight, USB phone charger, personal fan, and even a stun gun. Feeling hot? Flip on the fan. Lost in the dark? Light it up. Need a steady shot? It becomes a tripod too. All that in one sleek, lightweight pole for just $125. Why carry 5 tools when one does it all? It weighs just 28 grams, but the Safa clothesline might be the smartest $9 you'll ever spend. No more soggy socks over branches or shirts on rocks. This 3.5-meter beast holds up to 30 kilograms and fits up to 12 items at once. Built-in loops and tensioners keep everything in place, even when the wind howls. Setup takes seconds. Just unzip, stretch, and dry. It's tiny, tough, and totally essential for any outdoor adventure. It's lighter than a pack of gum, yet powerful enough to inflate up to 500 air mattresses. Meet the Giga Pump Air, your tiny camping hero at just 28 grams. No more puffing or pumping, just tap a button and watch it work its magic. With 3.5 kPa of pressure, a vacuum mode for packing gear tight, and power options including your phone, this pocket-sized beast is built for speed, ease, and total freedom. At only $53, it's a tiny upgrade that makes a huge difference. Ice cream in the wild. Yes, please. The Chillbee Sofa Chill is a backpack fridge that keeps food cold for up to 42 hours. No ice, no plug, just charge and go. With 22 il of space and temps down to 5 degrees Celsius, you can pack real meals, chilled drinks, even frozen treats, anywhere. It looks like a backpack, carries like a breeze, and turns any hike or festival into a full-on picnic. No soggy sandwiches, no melted mess, just fresh, cold freedom on your back. Tired of camp chaos? The Bonfire Camping Hanger transforms your site into a modular outdoor kitchen with 10 swappable attachments for cooking, prepping, and gear organization. Grill rack, spice shelf, mini table, everything hangs from one smart central frame. No tools, no mess, just open, customize, and get cooking. It folds down small, sets up fast, and keeps your essentials right where you need them. Crowdfunding soon, early backers get 35% off. Why juggle gear on the ground when your kitchen can hang? Tired of cooking on rocks and rinsing in streams? Kitchen Cruiser unfolds in seconds into a full kitchen, stove, sink, and prep space, all in one sleek box. At just 19.5 kilograms, it's perfect for car camping or semi-permanent setups, and no tools, no hassle. Slice, mix, cook, and clean like you never left home. It's stable, smart, and makes outdoor meals feel gourmet under the stars. For $400, this isn't just gear, it's your camp chef's dream come true. What if your solar panel followed the sun, automatically? Meet Iris, a 6 kilograms powerhouse with dual-axis tracking that grabs 40% more energy than fixed panels. Its silent, magnetic, tool-free setup takes minutes. No cables, no stress. With a 270 watt-hour battery, you get 20 phone charges or power for laptops, cameras, even appliances. Rain or shine, Iris keeps working, and you stay connected off-grid, off-road, anywhere. Plus, the removable battery means less waste and more years of use. This isn't just solar, it's smart, sustainable freedom in a box. Sweating through summer nights? Shivering in your sleeping bag? EcoFlow Wave 3 ends all that, with instant cooling or heating in just 15 minutes. Whether it's scorching 40 degrees Celsius or freezing in the mountains, this portable unit gives you full climate control anywhere. Camp in comfort for 8 straight hours on a single charge. No noise, no hassle. Perfect for tents, vans, or backyard escapes. It's freedom from discomfort. Tired of choosing between nature and sleep? Now you don't have to.